thoroughly cleaned, and I had also used a wet sponge just with clean water to remove any residue left on by the cleaner. I started disassembling this piece. I removed the original hardware and then flipped the table onto its top and started unscrewing the tabletop from in behind. Now, if you have a piece that you're able to flip or turn over, this is a really great way to get access to remove the top of your piece. Once all the screws were removed, it was really easy to just lift the bottom part of the body off the top. Who needs a gym when you're a furniture refinisher, right?